fucking shit. Why do I say super all the time? Super awesome fucking super cookbook. Fuck my life. See that tattoo? That says laugh. You better fucking laugh at this. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make for you a very easy recipe on hummus. Hummus is something that's expensive at the store and it cracks me up because it's so easy to make at home. It really consists of chickpeas, aka what are they called? Garbanzo beans. And then I'm going to add in some roasted green pepper, some jalapeno, some garlic, some olive oil, some lemon. It's going to turn out beautifully. So, let's get started. Off with the heads. Need that shit. I'm going to char this. I'm going to char that. I might even char up this fucking garlic. We don't know what I'll do. I'm a crazy person. I'm gonna put all the garlic in there. Here we go. Beautiful. Comes out nice and clean. I'm gonna char these up, put them in the blender along with my chickpeas, some olive oil, my spices, lemon, and a little bit probably of water. And then we'll whip up some hummus here quite nicely, quite easily. It's going to be delicious. Hummus. Tell them to shut the fuck up again. Oh, wow. Look at this. So we've got our roasted peppers and our roasted garlic. Looks incredible. We're going to add some lemon into this. I'm just going to crack these cans open, dump them into the blender, put everything in there, and it's gonna be fucking delicious. Here we go. Put in my garbanzo beans, squeeze in my lemons. Aye! God bless. Put in that. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna put in that. Oh shit! 2 jalapenos. Some roasted green pepper and some roasted garlic. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 cup of olive oil. And that's what really helps with the silky smoothness of your hummus. Blip, shablapes, you're welcome. About 1/4 cup of water. Okay. Now the thing about hummus is we want a consistency, and so we're gonna have to add oil and water as needed. Just looking for that, you know, good scooping kind of consistency. I don't ever know exactly how much I put in. All I know is the texture that I want. Okay? Oh, that's really close already. I'll put some Himalayan salt. Put some pepper in there. I can tell this texture is almost perfect. Sometimes I tilt the blender just to be sure I'm getting everything. Tilt it a little bit. Here we go. A little Tupperware. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's a little spicy, which I really like. Let's get that. That looks amazing. Let's give this hummus a try. Silky, spicy, delicious. That shit's delicious. You're welcome.
You're welcome.